Enjoy your day. Man, can't wait to blast the pigs. Next in line. Oh, wait, it's restocking. Alright, just wait, guys. Okay, next in line. You look like a nice family. What are we doing? Bird! Bird! Which one? Green one. Okay. Wait, I don't know why it keeps falling down. Alright, that'll be $2.99. Okay. Oh, sorry. Have a nice day. Restocking. Alright, next in line. What do you like? This one. No, I really wanted that one. Wait, I still have a chance. Hey, sir? Yes? That bird is like $100. Oh my god. I can't pay for that. This, yeah? I think I want to put this back. Uh-huh. Oh wait, I almost forgot that I have a coupon for everything free. Oh no, that's not good. Alright. I'll buy it. Oh, I see you have a coupon. Want to get everything free, so thanks for shopping. You're welcome. Last in line, please. You know what? I think I want to go check out another store to find it. Okay, see you next time. I might have had to go to the other side of the town, but... Oh, I see it! But again... There's a long line. Last in line. Hey, can you put the camera at the right spot? Thanks. Jeez, what's going on? I want to buy this now. Here's the money. Okay, calm down, miss. And thank you, I guess. Ow. Slush! Hi? Here, it's the bird you wanted. Oh, cool, but I already bought a really cheap one from AliExpress. And it's coming today. I'm sorry. I didn't know you were there. Oh, it's okay. You know this thing's $100, right?